X2 is big. At 168.5 by 83.4 by 14 mm with a weight of 250 grams, it is one of the biggest ruggedized smartphones we've tested to date, and that's despite having a display that's the same size as most of its competitors, 5.5-inch. The argument for having a poor screen-to-body ratio is that in return you get more material around the fragile bits, that is the screen, to cushion any fall, and that's particularly noticeable at the top and bottom of the X2. We've no complaints here, though, as this is an IP68 rated smartphone which is also MIL STD810G certified. Look at the device from the front and you'll notice a status LED, a rather big 16-megapixel front-facing camera sensor, and a chrome border. The screen is not oleophobic and is a worse fingerprint magnet compared to, say, the cheaper Verni Active. There's no physical home button or dedicated capacitive buttons like the X1. A headphone socket and a Type-C USB port can be found at the bottom and top of the device, with a dedicated camera button and a volume rocker on the left, and the power button, SIM tray and a VUC sensor on the right. On the rear you'll find two 12-megapixel camera sensors, a big LED flash, the AGM logo, a square fingerprint sensor plus a small speaker grill. What irks us is the presence of a glass panel that is not only a fingerprint magnet, but is also likely to break or get scratched. Overall, AGM's new X2 sports a very different design from the previous X1, and between the two, we definitely prefer its predecessor.